Uponor's AquaSAFE multipurpose system is one of the most effective and efficient residential fire sprinkler systems available today. Since a multipurpose system integrates fire sprinklers with the home's cold water plumbing, a single contractor can now efficiently install both the sprinkler system and the plumbing system, and they can do it without any expensive backflow preventers or check valves, which also eliminates the ongoing inspection and maintenance of those devices. By using the same trusted and dependable flexible PEX-A tubing that's used in the majority of residential plumbing today, the AquaSAFE multipurpose system can be installed efficiently and reliably. This video will provide a basic introduction to the installation of Uponor's multipurpose sprinkler system. Although the AquaSAFE system is straightforward to install, be sure to read and closely follow the instructions in all applicable installation guides, designs, and standards. The first step in an AquaSAFE system installation is locating the placement of the sprinkler adapters. It is very important that the sprinkler adapters are securely mounted where designated by the sprinkler layout plan. Uponor's qualified designers can provide the sprinkler plans you need. Before positioning the adapter assembly, ensure that there will be no unexpected obstructions near the adapter that might interfere with the sprinkler's performance. Position the adapter, ensuring that the vertical location takes into account the thickness of the material that will be attached to the ceiling or wall. Using number 10 screws, securely mount the adapter assembly to the ceiling joist or wall stud. Uponor's innovative bracket design allows the adapter to be mounted on a variety of joist and truss types. Our sprinkler adapters are specially designed to secure the sprinkler in place so no further strapping or hangers are necessary. When the sprinkler adapters are in place, you're now ready to connect the adapters with Uponor's AquaPEX tubing. Our PEX-A tubing has a unique shape memory that allows it to be easily expanded for the insertion of a large diameter fitting. Then, within seconds, the tubing will contract tightly around the fitting, providing a quick, secure fitting in all weather conditions, with no cements, glues, solvents, deburring, beveling, crimping, dry fitting, or curing. To connect AquaPEX tubing to the sprinkler adapter, simply slide a Propex ring over the end of the tubing and expand both the tubing and ring with the Propex expander tool. When the tubing is fully expanded, insert the tubing over the sprinkler adapter fitting, ensuring it is fully seated. Within seconds, the tubing will contract around the fitting and the connection will be complete, and you can move on to the next fitting. Unroll enough tubing to reach the next fitting. Simply cut the tubing to length and repeat the connection process. One of the many benefits of Uponor's flexible PEX-A tubing is its ability to easily bend around corners and obstructions. This means that no additional fittings need to be used to get past obstacles, which in turn means fewer connections and fewer potential leak points. Longer lengths of tubing should be secured with simple tube supports or tube talons. Uponor's AquaSAFE system is a multi-purpose system, which means it's integrated with the home's cold water plumbing. This simple layout eliminates the need for expensive backflow preventers and check valves and the annual inspections and maintenance that they require. To connect the sprinkler system with the cold water plumbing, simply cut brass tees into the sprinkler lines near the fixture groups. Locate your plumbing connection points, which will be identified on Uponor's sprinkler design layout. Next, cut into the sprinkler line. Then, insert a brass drop-down tee using the same Propex connection method. Now you can connect the plumbing system to the sprinkler drop-down tee. We're now ready to attach the sprinkler to the sprinkler adapters. Thread the sprinklers into the adapter, then carefully tighten 1 to 2 full rotations. Be sure to protect the sprinkler with the cover when you're done. Conducting a flow test when the installation is complete ensures that the system is operating as designed. After turning off the water supply and identifying the most hydraulically remote sprinkler on Uponor's design layout, remove the sprinkler and attach the flow test assembly to the sprinkler adapter. Following Uponor's flow test procedure instructions, open up the water supply and record the water flow through the test assembly. You've now completed the installation of an Uponor AquaSAFE multipurpose sprinkler system with fewer connections, no cements or glues, and no backflow preventer. And, since no annual inspection or maintenance is required, you can be confident that you've installed the most effective and efficient sprinkler system available.